There is a career in the skilled trades that most people have never heard of. It doesn't require a four-year degree, the starting pay beats most office jobs, and the demand for people who can do it is going through the roof. It's called building automation, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get into it, what the career path looks like, and what you can realistically expect to earn at every level. I've been in the industry for many years. I've done installs, service calls, new construction projects, and right now I manage an entire building automation system for an enterprise-level facility. Nobody handed me a roadmap when I started, so that's exactly what I'm going to give you today. For anyone who doesn't know what building automation actually is, every large building, office towers, hospitals, schools, data centers, hotels, has systems running behind the scenes: heating, cooling, ventilation, lighting, access control, energy management. Building automation is the technology and the people that make all those systems talk to each other and run automatically. Instead of someone manually adjusting a temperature in every single room, a building automation system, or in short, BAS, does it automatically based on occupancy, time of day, weather, and energy costs. The people who install, program, and service and manage these systems are building automation technicians and engineers. And right now, there are not enough of them, which is very good news for you. Let me give you the numbers first, because this is what grabs people's attention. Entry-level installer, you're looking at $45,000 to $55,000 a year, depending on your location. That's day one. No experience is required beyond basic electrical knowledge. This is not a necessity, it is the way I started, and it gave me great knowledge in how these systems work. Service technician, once you have a year or two on your belt, $55,000 to $75,000 is likely, and some markets even pay more. Senior technician or project manager, $75,000 to $95,000. Enterprise level, site managers, BAS directors, controls engineers at the top end, $100,000 and above is very common. I know people clearing $120,000, $130,000 in major markets. And unlike a lot of trades, this career has a clear path indoors. You're not swinging a hammer on the roof in January your whole career. The higher you go, the more you're in climate-controlled buildings, working with software, networks, and building systems. The other thing that nobody talks about, job security. Buildings are getting smarter every year. This work cannot be outsourced overseas. Someone has to be physically there, and the people who know how these systems work are in serious demand right now. One of the most common questions I get, do you need a degree to get into this? The honest answer is no, not to start, and not to advance in most cases. What actually gets you hired is a combination of things. First, some basic electrical knowledge. You don't need to be a licensed electrician, but understand voltage, circuits, and control fundamentals. A 2-year associate's degree in HVAC, electrical technology, or electronics will absolutely get your foot in the door. So will a vocational or trade school program. But sometimes even persistence with a company showing you want to learn is enough. Second, certification. I'll talk about the specific ones in a minute. Third, and this is the one people underestimate, being willing to start at the bottom and learn fast. The companies hiring in this space are desperate for people to show up, pay attention, and ask good questions. I've seen people with zero formal education, such as myself, become senior control engineers because they were hungry to learn. I've also seen people with degrees who couldn't make it past the first year because they weren't willing to get their hands dirty. This is a merit-based career. What you know and what you can do matters more than what your diploma says. So how do you actually get in the door? There are 4 main paths. Path 1. Come from HVAC. This is the most common. If you're already an HVAC technician, you're halfway there. You understand mechanical systems. You know how systems work. You just need to layer in the controls and software knowledge on top. A lot of companies will hire experienced HVAC techs and train them on the automation side. This is the fastest path for most people. Path 2. Come from electrical. Electricians who want to move into a more technical and less physical role find building automation to be a natural fit. The control wiring, terminations, and panel work is very familiar. The learning curve is the software side. I installed controls as an electrician, and it was a very natural fit. Path 3. Come from IT or networking. This is becoming more and more common as BAS systems move towards an IP-based network. If you understand networking, TCP/IP, servers, and software, companies need people who can manage their IT side of building automation. This path leads directly into higher-level roles after learning what you are programming. My recommendation, if you're starting from scratch, either try to get in the door of any building automation company at the entry-level position, or find a community college or technical school that has a focus of HVAC and electrical building automation. It gives you the foundation of everything else that builds on it. Now let's talk certifications. There are ones that actually matter and will get you noticed by employers. Number 1, Niagara Framework Certification, also known as Tritium. This is the most widely used building automation platform in the world. If you know Niagara, you can work almost anywhere. Tritium offers official training and certifications. It's not cheap, but it's worth every dollar. Number 2, manufacturer-specific certifications. Johnson Controls, Siemens, Honeywell, Schneider Electric, all of these systems offer trainings and certifications in their specific systems. If you're working for a company that uses one of these platforms, get certified in it. And a lot of times, if you get in the door with the company, they will send you to trainings. Number 3, as you advance, look at the Certified Automation Professional credential from the International Society of Automation. It's more advanced and it signals serious expertise. Alright, let me give you a specific action plan, things you can do this week. Step 1. Look into local community colleges and vocational schools that offer HVAC and electrical programs, and see if they are tied to building automation. Some programs can be as short as 1 year. Step 2. Go to Indeed, LinkedIn, ZipRecruiter right now and search Building Automation Technician in your city. Read the job postings. See what skills and certifications they are asking for the most. That tells you exactly what you need to learn first. They do hire entry-level techs and do training along the way. Step 3. Look up Tritium Niagara training online. Even watching free YouTube videos about Niagara or other systems gives you the foundation and shows employers you're serious. Step 4. Connect with people in the industry on LinkedIn. Search Building Automation Technician, BAS Engineer, Controls Technician. Follow them, message them, ask them a few questions about how they got started. Most people in this trade are happy to talk about it. Step 5. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be covering certifications, salaries, software walkthroughs, actual problems and fixes, and real-life career advice every single week. Everything I wish I had when I started out. Building automation is one of the best-kept secrets in the skilled trades. Good pay, indoor work most of the time, massive demand, and a clear path to 6 figures if you're willing to put in the time and keep learning. If you're already in the industry and want to level up, stick around. This channel's for you too. Drop a comment below. Where are you starting from? Are you in HVAC, electrical, IT, or completely new to the trade? I read every single comment and I'll point you in the right direction. See you in the next one.